Hey, look, pick up your phone, I need your attention. My girl so bad, we call her detention. I am so glad we moved beyond friendship. I am so glad your mama like me. Sweat up with Cupid, told him fight me. I stole your love, he shot my heart. I'm losing breath, it's getting dark. I think I might need CPR. Tell me, do you love me like I do? Tell me what you willing to prove, cause I ain't got nothing to lose. It's true, that you mean the world to me. Travel around the globe, but I know that you the only girl for me. And I gotta let you know.
Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be showing you all how to get the natural hair straightened look with highlights in minutes with a wig. Y'all guessed it. Y'all probably already knew. But y'all, this is the Yaki texture from MyFirstWigs, and their Yaki texture is so on point. If you've never tried the Yaki texture, I'd highly recommend that you do, especially if you're a natural who enjoys wearing straight units. This is going to be a texture that's going to look most realistic and most like our hair. And the great thing about a wig is that you can achieve certain looks that you desire, but without having to damage your hair. This highlight look is one of the looks that I've desired for years, but I would never take my hair through it because most naturals, generally when they dye their hair or when they color treat it using highlights and things like that, it generally gets damaged and they end up having to cut it off. So a wig like this is so perfect. You don't have to do anything. And honestly, with this one, you could have actually gone without having to secure it down with adhesive. Putting it on, you can already see it looks phenomenal, and I was like, oh my goodness, this is it right here. The length and everything, it's in length 12, and some of my hair is actually this length now, which is so cool. Look at this, y'all. It's already pre-plucked. It's already been pre-bleached. It also has 6 inches of deep parting space, and this is a very beginner friendly unit. As you can see, this hairline is legit, guys. It looks so great. And although I got mine in length 12, it does come in the highest length of 14. So if you want it a little longer, they do have that option. So now I'm just spraying on the Sebastian Shaper holding spray. I like to spray that around the edges and also the area near the part in order to flatten it out. And then I'm going to follow it up with my hot comb. And this one I found at my local beauty supply store. So if you're looking for a good hot comb, you can most likely find it there or simply go on Amazon.
Lady, come here, let me tell you something. Lately I've been wondering if you could be mine forever. See, you was like God, he must be up to something. Know you tired of running, let's just stay here together. I know your mama told you don't let guys go running off with your love. You don't even open up, so your heart can't get crushed. You've been let down so many times, you wonder if you need to get up.
Because the knots on this unit are bleached, I decided to just use my foundation powder in order to tint the lace. I've been trying to explore other methods of tinting rather than Sally Hansen, just to give you all some other ideas and show you how effective it is to use items that you most likely already have. So this is what the lace is looking like. I'm going to put it on, adjust it, and then I'm going to begin to install the unit.
Let's get away. We can take a trip to the bay. Hit the beach, take a vacay. Whatever you like, yeah, whatever you like. Oh my, you done stressing the night. Stay up, watch the sunrise. We just fine, yeah. You just need your vacation.
For this install, I only made one slit in the lace, just where the right side would potentially be exposed. The other side, what I realized as I was adjusting it, I noticed that this unit is not necessarily low hairline friendly, so my edges were going to be peeking out. So I didn't try to be as precise for this install because I'm not going to do no baby hair. If I were doing no baby hair, then I'd make sure it was perfect and everything, but this one doesn't fully cover my hairline, so we had to make it work. So now I'm just placing it down over where I placed the Got2b glue, and I'm using the back of the comb in order to smooth it over that area and also combing it back to get it nice and laid and the way that I desire it. I am going to eventually do baby hair during this process because once that Got2b glue sets, it's hard to create your baby hair. So if you do desire baby hair, don't wait until after to try to create them. Try to do it while you're manipulating the hairline of the unit in order to lay down the lace, and it'll be so much easier.
You just need your vacation. just need you a vacation. People say forever is a mighty long time, I don't know. I ain't really tripping if it mean that I'm holding you close to me. Baby girl, you all I need. Your smile is everything. Come and be my company. You need to take off for work. We can road trip in the A. We can take a dip by the bay. Hop on a plane, go to Spain. No matter the place, girl, you melt my heart like Pompeii. Ay. I know your mama told you don't let guys go running off with your love. You done been through too much, so I ain't tryna mess this up. No, let's get away. We can take a trip to the bay. Hit the beach, take a vacay. Whatever you like, yeah, whatever you like. Oh my, you done stressing the night. Stay up, watch the sunrise. We just fine, yeah. You just need your vacation. You just need your vacation. You just need your vacation, yeah. We paint the picture while they be tracing, yeah. Landing in all type of nations. Can't get enough of your love, girl. You been so patient. We started off in the basement. Now we up out of space again. #1 is the place we in. It's a meal at the finish line. All my people gon' race to win. Lord have mercy on Polo, please. He got a case to win. Can't fold, never crease, don't bend. If you do, don't cry, we been now. So let's get away. We can take a trip to the bay. Hit the beach, take a vacay. Whatever you like, yeah, whatever you like. Oh my, you done stressing the night. Stay up, watch the sunrise. We just fine, yeah, we just fine.
Alright y'all, so I noticed that I did have some bulk at the top, so I'm going to use my hot comb in order to flatten it out. But look how natural that parting looks. It looks so good. So I'm going to spray on my holding spray first, and then after I do that, I follow it up with my hot comb. I really like this method because it really gets the hair super straight and super flat. During this process, as I was manipulating the hair more, I realized that instead of just doing a regular side part, that I wanted to do more so of a flip over. So you're gonna see me as I take this down, I'm gonna notice that it looks so good like this. So I decided to style it with some flip over action instead.
Let's get away. We can take a trip to the bay. Hit the beach, take a vacay. Whatever you like, whatever you like. Oh my, you done stressing the night. Stay up, watch the sunrise. We just fine. You just need your vacation. You just need your vacation. You just need your vacation.
So right now I'm just flat ironing the hair just a bit to give it a little bump, and y'all, look at this. This hair is not dry. Although it's been color treated, it doesn't feel dry. The luster is very natural and it has great movement. Now I did decide to loosen up my baby hair on the right side because I didn't really care for how they were positioned. I'm also switching my lipstick, and I'm going to show you all what I use. So I use Jordana in the color Tenacious Brown, and this is an eyeshadow pencil, but I like to use it for lip liner. It's a really cool trick and the color is just so beautiful. And I wasn't sure if I just wanted to do it with just the pencil. I think it looks good with just the pencil, but I kind of wanted my lips to look a little more rosy. Y'all let me know what y'all think of both colors. To clean up, I like to put foundation on an angle brush and just wipe around, and it looks so great this way, but I feel like the rosier look with the Baked Chocolate by Wet n Wild just gave it that ump that I needed. Let me know. This look came together so well. My First Wigs killed it.
Staring at you on this airplane, I ain't worried about nothing, cause you got me feeling like the Wayne Wade in 03. Yeah, you and me, we got the heat, so bump all that anxiety. But you hit to the side of me, I feel like I'm gliding. And honestly, look, I don't want you saying that you had a better chance without me, that you wish you had made plans without me. Look, I hate to make this song about me, but I really wanna tell you that I still get goosebumps whenever you call. When I pull up to your house in my car, when we kiss, you make me sound the alarm.
Alright y'all, that's the end of this video. I hope that you all thoroughly enjoyed it. Be sure to check the description box. My First Wigs is currently having their Black Friday sale. The link and all the specifications for this unit will be down in the description box, so be sure to check. I love you guys. Like, comment, subscribe, and I'll see you all in my next one. Bye guys.